Salman today in the paper has called you a child.
Right.
What do you want to say anything regarding these Barish thing? He said, well, Hrithik is a child actually.
That's okay. That's okay. You know, he must have said it with affection. It's all right.
All right.
And there's nothing wrong in being a child.
Hrithik Roshan's birthday, so what do you want to say about him? You work with him.
I love him very, very much, and I wish him all the best, and I'll spend some time with him, give him a big hug. And I think he's the most beautiful, wonderful person. I've known him since when he was a young kid, so I love him very much. Good for reminding me, so I'll go and maybe I'll go just now and give him a hug.
I'm very grateful to those who've gone to the theatres and who've liked our film and have liked my performance.
I really like Saif's picture and Sonakshi's and Shah Rukh's.
बहुत अच्छी बात है कि मेरे पहली फिल्म के बाद ही मुझे ये मौका मिला है कि सब स्टार्स के साथ फीचर होने का इस कैलेंडर में, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
Salman today in the paper has called you a child.
Right.
What do you want to say anything regarding these Barish thing? He said, well, Hrithik is a child actually.
That's okay. That's okay. You know, he must have said it with affection. It's all right.
All right.
And there's nothing wrong in being a child. I love being a child. I still watch cartoons. I still play with my kids, and I'm very interested in the things that in their toys. So I think it's in a way it's something that we should all try and achieve, is to be a child sometimes. It's good for the heart.
Hrithik Roshan's birthday, so what do you want to say about him? You work with him.
I love him very, very much, and I wish him all the best, and I'll spend some time with him, give him a big hug. And I think he's the most beautiful, wonderful person. I've known him since when he was a young kid, so I love him very much. Good for reminding me, so I'll go and maybe I'll go just now and give him a hug.
What are your birthday plans?
Right now, though, nothing. Is just another day, but it's a day where I always get a lot of love. Made to feel very, very special, as we all are on our birthdays. And I think what we should do on our birthdays is try and give that much love back.
Salman today gave us an interview and he said that he's not interested in any kind of friendship. He said that on record to us.
These are old things now. Can we talk about something else? It's like very boring. Yeah, Dabbu's clicked a picture of mine when I was driving away for his last to last calendar, which is in a rear view mirror. And I've got a beard, I think, for Chakde. So I like that picture a lot. I think it's very pretty and very nice. But I don't know if it was used in the calendar or not, but really nice.
I think he's achieved another level. I think the sex appeal quotient is like gone
Way up.
way up, and it's amazing because he's made each and every actor look his or her best, and everybody's in super shape. It's amazing. I think it's his best calendar.
Fantastic. It was the quickest shoot ever. I think Dabbu's figured what zone I'm comfortable in, and he keeps pushing me to, actually he makes me push the envelope a little more every time. I like it. The year starts on a very sensual note for me every year with Dabbu's calendar.
Well, I've done all of Dabbu's calendars, so it's really nice. But I think what the nicest thing is the fact that he always manages to get all these people together, and it's really nice to see all the pictures.
Dabbu's very, very fast, and I'm always the last one. This time I managed to finish it a day earlier than the last year, but it's still literally like the last one to try and squeeze the shoot in. But then again, we always want to try and do something different within that little window. So try to kind of put this together and put some kind of a thematic idea to it. It makes it different from what we normally do. and so we were happy with what we came up with.
Dabu makes everything very easy. It was very easy. It was good fun.
It's always fun working with Dabu and his wife Manisha and his daughter, lovely daughter Myra. So they keep us entertained throughout the shoot, and it was excellent.
Very excited. It's looking good. I think the turnout's good. People are appreciating the work. So I think it's a good achievement. I think something that I thought of, I've achieved. So I'm really happy. I'm thrilled. I'm glad. And I should ask you all, what do you think of the pictures?
I haven't seen them all. If you allow me to see the rest of them, then I can. But they won't be a favorite. I like them all. I think Dabu is a fantastic photographer. He makes us all look good. At least he makes me look better than I am.
I'm happy with mine. I think this Arjun Rampal's picture is interesting because it's so symmetrical. It's almost as if it's drawn, as if it's calculated. It's amazing. And Bipasha's looking stunning. Everyone.
I like that. I like surprising myself and therefore people once in a while. It's a good thing.
बहुत अच्छी बात है कि मेरे पहली फिल्म के बाद ही मुझे ये मौका मिला है कि सब स्टार्स के साथ फीचर होने का इस कैलेंडर में, तो I'm very happy.
I'm really excited about. I've seen my picture, so I think everybody else's pictures I wanted to see, and it's come together really well.
Amir Khan is not there in the calendar.
I wouldn't know, darling. I haven't seen all of them, and I've not made the calendar. So.
I feel finally something that I dreamt of, something, all the creative juices that flowed and has made this calendar happen and now being appreciated. It feels great because, it's finally we're doing this calendar only for creative satisfaction, and that's about, what this calendar is for. So I think it's been interesting, the whole journey. It feels like I'm going to be a little free from tomorrow because 2 months have been so hectic with this that I'll wonder what to do tomorrow. So I'm going to jump straight back into work from day after and, get back to this action.
मेरी जो भी फिल्म बनी है आज तक 70 बन चुकी हैं। ना किसी और ने डायरेक्ट की है, ना मैंने डायरेक्ट की है, डायरेक्टर ने ही डायरेक्ट की है। और अनुभव सिन्हा बहुत अच्छे डायरेक्टर हैं, बहुत हम्बल हैं। और क्योंकि उनको इतनी पब्लिकली बाहर जाके बातचीत नहीं करनी आती, तो चुपचाप से अपना काम कर रहे हैं। और मेरी यही दुआ है कि इंशाल्लाह जब ये फिल्म लोग देखेंगे तो उनके हुनर को, उनके पेशेंस को, उनके पैशन को लोग समझेंगे। एंड आई हैव बीन वेरी फॉर्चुनेट दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स हु वर्क विद मी, they've made some really marvelous films for me, and I'll always be indebted to all of them, from Yash Ji to Karan to Adi to Farah to Rajiv Mehra, Aziz Mirza, Shimit Amin. So all of them make great films with me. So I hope Anubhav also gets into that line of filmmaking and makes. I think he's made a wonderful film. I hope it does well. Always Kabhi Kabhi is a film we made with newcomers. इंशाल्लाह लोगों को पसंद आएगी। स्कूल में जो बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ पढ़ने लिखने में, तो उसको लेकर रोशन अब्बास डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं फिल्म। तो कैसी है मुझे थोड़ी कम समझ आती है क्योंकि यंग जनरेशन के बारे में, बट होपफुली यंगर लोगों को अच्छी लगेगी वो फिल्म। और अभी ख़त्म हो गई, 1-2 महीने में इंशाल्लाह हम रिलीज़ करेंगे।